Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling the essentials so sharing actually works. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both Windows 11 machines. Nearby needs both. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Nearby Sharing, and flip it on. Make sure visibility matches your situation. Choose Everyone Nearby for quick tests, or My Devices only for privacy. Also confirm both PCs are on the same network profile and signed into Microsoft accounts if using device-only sharing. This avoids device discovery. Next, you verify and fix connection specifics so transfers actually complete. Make sure both PCs are set to a private network profile. Public networks block discovery. If transfers fail, disable VPNs and test with firewalls off briefly, because those can block nearby share traffic. If the device still doesn't appear, restart Bluetooth and open services to restart Bluetooth support and provisioning service. This refreshes discovery. Once those services are back, try pairing or sending a small file to confirm the link. To finish, send a file. Open File Explorer, right-click the item, choose Share, then pick the target device under Nearby Sharing. You'll see an accept prompt on the receiver. Tap Accept to begin. Monitor speed. If it's slow, move devices closer and ensure no heavy network load. If the transfer doesn't appear or stalls, toggle Nearby Sharing off and on, reboot both machines, and try again. This quick reset resolves most stubborn discovery or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.